Alright guys, we're gonna make this responsive website with Bootstrap, HTML and CSS. Hi everyone, welcome to this video. We are gonna make a Bootstrap website. So first of all, we're gonna load up Visual Studio Code. Okay, so here's our script, our pages. So first we're gonna create a new file and name it whatever you want, but usually we name it index.html. So I'm gonna name it home.html. Alright, and then we're gonna type in HTML and load up the boilerplate. You can get the extension over here. These are my extensions on the left. Install those and then you can get the boilerplate. Okay, so next thing, you need Bootstrap. So we're gonna go to Google, type in Bootstrap 4. We're gonna get Bootstrap. We're gonna download it. So we're gonna go home, download, compile CSS and JSS. We're gonna download those files. Bootstrap is basically a CSS framework that allows you to create responsive sites and comes with a set of modules and HTML and CSS classes and JavaScript functionalities. So we're gonna copy this. We're gonna paste it into our folder. Paste it, hold on. We're gonna go reveal in File Explorer. I'll paste it here. I already did that, but you place those files. Then in the head of your home, type in link rel equals, we'll load up the style sheet. Okay, but it's already here, so we'll do like that. This pathway, sorry, like that, CSS, and then we're gonna load up the bootstrap grid.css. Then we need to load up the JSS. So so script source. We're gonna load up, we're gonna do this, JS, Bootstrap JS. Next we need jQuery. We don't need jQuery for this one, but okay, so just follow what I do, type in, follow what I do from now on. Alright, thanks. See ya. Okay, so in Bootstrap, the main content or the main container needs to have a div with the class of container. Alright, and inside the container is all your content, your rows, your columns, your images, whatever you want. So we are going to create class, the row inside of it. And this container is going to be column 12 columns with the row is automatically 12 columns, and inside that we are going to create a nav that, and we have our item 1 and item 2. We need to change that to whatever you want to be, suppose, but sometimes we say it is home and about. So style is gonna be a color of white. Copy this style, paste it below, save it. Okay, now we need to give a container also a background style, background color. And we are going to copy the background gradient style I left in the notepad in the description. So paste that notepad style that's in the description in the notepad file over here. Save it. Now we can view it. Alright, now we got our navigation and our container. Yeah, and we need to give the navigation background style a background color crimson. Save it. Now the navigation is red, but it's not spanning, it's not the full width, so we need to give the nav column 12. Save it. Now watch, now it's full width. Alright, next row. Now each row spans 12 columns, so we need to create a row again. Inside the row we are going to create two major columns. So 12 divided by 2 is 6. So we want it equal width. Sorry, I'm so sorry. We want the items in the large screens to be equal width, the columns, so it'll be 6 and 6. Like that for the large one, large screens. Copy this, paste it. So in here we have our header, responsive web design. Save it. And in here we have our image, fluid bootstrap image. And we are going to assign it to the Trump image. Now for large screens, it has taken half of the screen and half of the screen over here. You notice that the responsive, so we need to, we notice that the, now we need to do the same thing for medium screens. Now for small screens, I want to be one column only, stacked on top of each other. So we need to say the small screens are columns. Save that. Now watch as we move to the small screen, not big screen, medium, small, stacked on top of each other. We need to give this a style and give it a font color of white so it's more visible. See? Alright, and we need to push it down a little. So we're going to do the padding top 40 vertical height. There we go. That's kind of in the center, in the middle. Alright, next we need to add our animations. Top left, here's the CSS. To put it in, you can get it from the notepad file. Download it through the Patreon, or it's free, but for a limited time. So scale in top left, we need to give that a class. So we're gonna get scale in top left like that. Scale top left, save it, preview it. Now we got that cool animation whenever it loads. This is our responsive homepage. So stay subscribed, comment, like this video. Yeah, stay subscribed so you could get the and enable notifications so you get latest videos. So peace, thank you for watching this video.